Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually delete list items and entire lists on your SharePoint site. So all you got to do is come over to the list where you're trying to make changes to one of these rows here, and let's come over to this one, the second entry. And then once we go ahead and select this, you'll see at the top we'll have the delete option, or we can come over to the ellipsis and it's just one. We can go ahead and delete it here. Or if there's multiple, you can just toggle as many of them as you need to, and then you can delete them in bulk. Now, I'm not going to delete any, but that is an option if you guys want to actually delete any of your list items. Now, if you want to delete an entire list, probably the quickest and easiest way to do it is just to come over to your site contents. And then once you find your list or lists that you want to go ahead and delete, so we can actually delete this first one here. Just go ahead and click on the ellipsis there, and then you'll have settings, details, but then delete. So are you sure you want to delete the items? Send the items to the recycling bin, and now you can see that it has been deleted. So that is how you delete list items and lists on SharePoint.